The following is the temperature controller troubleshooting procedure. First, make sure the present value is the same as the actual temperature. Second, check if the temperature is controlled based on the set value. Third, check if the control output operates according to the control output indicator. Open means that the temperature sensor is disconnected. When the temperature sensor is connected normally, the temperature is displayed. The following are cases where the actual temperature sensor and parameter settings are different. The temperature sensor is K-type, and the parameter is set to JPT.L. The temperature is not measured normally, and open is displayed. The temperature sensor is PT 100 ohm, and the parameter is set to KCA.L. The actual temperature changes, but the measured temperature does not. The following is a case where the temperature sensor wiring is reversed. When the actual temperature rises, the measured temperature decreases. And when the actual temperature decreases, the measured temperature rises. The following is an indication according to the analog input range. This is a solution when the control cannot be adjusted according to the set value. When the control method is PID control, it is necessary to execute auto-tuning. Auto-tuning is a function that automatically calculates the PID value according to the application environment. When auto-tuning is executed, a T lamp blinks. Auto-tuning must be started with the heater connected. When auto-tuning is executed without a heater connected, it will not be completed normally. When auto-tuning is completed, the PID value is automatically applied, and a T lamp is turned off. Auto-tuning should be performed in the following cases. When the control method is on-off control, check the hysteresis. When on-off is frequent, set the hysteresis higher than the previous value. Control outputs include relay output, SSR drive voltage output, and current output. For the relay output, check the connection status of the output contact with the tester. When the relay output is off, contact is open. When the relay output is on, contact is closed. For the SSR drive voltage output, measure the DC voltage with a voltage meter. When the SSR drive output is off, it outputs approximately 0 volt. When the SSR drive output is on, it outputs approximately 11 volt. For current output, measure the current with a current meter. The current output outputs for to 20 meters A according to the control output.